Right, I'm not sure if the order is going to be any good on this, but I'm going to do a quick walkthrough. So I'm in the hub. I'm going to click Add, and to go to the Android build. I did the PC build and it was fine. I'm going to add the Android build. I can see assets there, so select that folder, and I'm going to tell it which version I want, and click that, and it will open it. It's going to give us a little warning. Ignore that, and it should load fine. This is actually ripped with Unity Tiny Ripper. It's not a perfect rip, but it gives us something we can work with. So I'm going to go to Scene in the project window, drag that into the hierarchy window. I'm going to delete the camera and the light in the old untitled scene. Then I'm going to remove that. Don't save, and there you go. That should be ready to upload now. So if you've got the SDK on there, you can re-upload that scene. It's baked. Hope that's helpful.